5 books to start learning English step by step. Number 1. Aesop's Fables. This book is a collection of short stories written a very long time ago. You probably know many of these stories in your own mother tongue, which makes it the perfect book to start learning English. Number 2. The Giver. This is a fictional story talking about a society where everyone is always happy and the mysteries behind it. It's an exceptionally interesting book to read, and you should read this because it teaches you how to describe past experiences using simple past and past perfect tenses. Number 3. The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. This book is a classic adventure novel where they talk about an adventurous experience. In this book, you will learn how to describe experiences as well as emotions. Number 4. Chicken Soup for the Soul. This is actually a series, and there are more than 10 volumes available in this series. All of them are excellent for improving your language, and as you read them, you will see an improvement in sentence structure, use of tenses, and an improvement in vocabulary as well. The themes themselves are interesting and they are available for different age groups. Number 5. Mary Poppins by British author P.L. Travers. This book is extremely popular, especially for its use of language. By reading this book, you will learn how to construct complex sentences and also learn the appropriate use of punctuation. It is a fantastic book to start learning complex sentences. The meanings and vocabulary are simple and straightforward, so definitely you will be able to improve your language. Do give these books a try and like and subscribe for more tips in English.